Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to power x plus 4 to power x plus 4 to power x. This is equal to 40. So what is the value of x? Solution from here. From what we have here, 4 to power x is common, so we factor out 4 to power x. So that now, 4 to power x divided by 4 to power x, this is 1, plus 4 to power x divided by 4 to power x, this is 1, plus 4 to power x divided by 4 to power x, this is 1, then this is equal to 40. So that now we have 4 to power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, and this is equal to 40. So let's divide both sides by 3. So that now 4 to power x, this is equal to 40 divided by 3. The next step from here, so for x, we introduce logarithm on both sides, so that here we have log 4 to power x, this is equal to log 40 divided by 3. So now, log 4 to power x, this is in the form of log m to power n, which we can express as n log m. Now, applying this power rule property, then log 4 to power x can be expressed as x log 4. This is equal to log 40 divided by 3. Let's divide both sides by log 4 by log 4. So log 4 and log 4 simplifies, so that here x is equal to log 40 over 3 divided by log 4. The next step from here, log 40 divided by 3, this is in the form of log a divided by b, which we can express as log a subtract log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have that x is equal to log 40 divided by log 4 subtract log 3 divided by log 4. So let's proceed from here. Now from what we have here, we can express 40 as 4 times 10. So let's substitute this. We have x is equal to log 4 times 10 divided by log 4 subtract log 3 divided by log 4. So this implies that here log 4 times 10, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then we have that x is equal to log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 10 divided by log 10 log 4. We have that log 10 divided by log 4 subtract log 3 divided by log 4. So clearly here, log 4 and log 4 simplifies, so that now we have that x is equal to 1 plus we have log 10 divided by log 4 subtract log 3 divided by log 4. The next step from here, we can express 10 as basically 5 times 2, and we can express 4 as 2 to the power 2. So substituting this, we have x is equal to 1 plus log 5 times 2 divided by log 2 to the power 2 subtract log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 2. So here we have x is equal to 1 plus, now log 5 times 2, this is in the form of log a times b, which you can express in this form. So that now, here we'll have 1 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power 2, then plus log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 2, subtract log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 2. Now, log 2 to the power 2, applying the power rule property, then this can be expressed as, now we have log 5 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 subtract log 3 divided by 2 log 2. So here, log 2 and log 2 will simplify, so that now x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2, then plus a half, subtract. Now here we have a half log 3 divided by log 2. So we have 1 plus a half. This is the same thing as 3 over 2. Then plus, we have here a half log 5 divided by log 2. Okay, subtract a half log 3 divided by log 2. The next step here, log 5 divided by log 2. This is in the form of log A divided by log B, which we can express as log A to base B. So let's apply this property, so that now applying this logarithm property, then x can be expressed as 3 over 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2 subtract a half log 3 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Let's verify here. Now, if you recall here, we end that 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x. This should give us a value of 40. Now, since 4 to the power x is common here, we factor out 4 to the power x, so that here this is 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 40. So here we have 4 to the power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, and this is equal to 40. So let's divide here both signs by 3. So here we have 4 to the power x, this is equal to 40 divided by 3. So let's check if this is true. Let's substitute the value of x, so that we have 4 to the power 3 over 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2 subtract a half log 3 to base 2. Then this should give us a value of 40 divided by 3. The next step from here, we can express 4 basically as 2 to the power 2. So let's substitute the value of 4 as 2 to the power 2. So we have 2 to the power 2 times, here we have 3 over 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2 subtract a half log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40 divided by 3. So let's simplify here. Let's simplify here by 2 by 2, so that a we have 2 to the power 3 plus, now here 2 and 2 simplify, so we have log 5 to base 2 subtract, now this is a half, 2 and 2 simplify, so subtract log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40 divided by 3. Let's check if this is true. Now 2 to the power 3 plus log 5 to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power n subtract m, which we can express as a to the power n divided by a to the power m. So applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power log 5 to base 2 divided by 2 to the power log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40 divided by 3. So let's proceed from here. Now here we have 2 to the power 3. We can express 2 to the power 3 as 2 times 2 times 2, and this is equal to 8. So we have 8 times 2 to the power of 5 to base 2. This is in the form of m. to power log a to base m, which essentially will give us a value of a. So this implies that 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this will give us a value of 5. And 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this will give us a value of 3. So let's substitute these values. We have 8 times 2 to power log 5 to base 2, which is 5, divided by 2 to power log 3 to base 2, which is equal to 3. This should give us a value of 40 divided by 3. So 8 times 5, this essentially is equal to 40 divided by 3. And this is equal to 40 divided by 3. So that shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is basically 3 over 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2, subtract a half log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Like this video so that it can be recommended to other viewers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.